Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk you through how to do long division. So you can see the sum that we've got here is 7,232 divided by 16. So first of all we need to set it up in the correct way. So we write 16 on the outside with the bus stop, and then we have 7232 on the inside. And now what we do each time is we do 16 into the number as we go along. So we start off with 16 into 7, and obviously that's not big enough. So we move over and do 16 into 72. You've then got to work out how many times 16 goes into 72. Now if you're not sure, you can do a quick multiplication to check. So you might do a guess. So we could guess that it's 4 times. And then you can test it by doing 16 times by 4. So 6 times 4 is 24, carry the 2, write down the 4, and 1 4 is 4, plus the 2 gives us 6, so it's 64. So you can see that 16 does go into 72 4 times because there's not enough there to give you another 16 to go up to 72. So we put a 4 on the top, and it's important it goes above the 2 because it was 72 that we went into. And then underneath we write down what 16 times by 4 is. Then we do a subtraction, and we do 72 take away 64, and we find that that is 8. So that's our remainder. So what we do now is we move to the next number, which is a 3, and we bring it down here. Okay, and this is the process for long division. So you bring down the next number. So now we're carrying the 8 over onto the 3, but we bring it down so everything goes underneath. And then we repeat the process. So what we're kind of doing is we start off with into, okay, and then we multiply. Then we multiply. So we do 16 times by the 4, write that underneath. Then we do the subtraction, okay, so we did 72 take away 64 to get the remainder, and then we bring down the next term, okay, and by doing that, what we then do is we then go back up to the top and we start again until we've run out of numbers. So now we've got 16 into 83, and we guess how many times that goes, and an educated guess would put us at 5. So we do 16 times 5, we know that 4 is not big enough, and test that out. 6 5s are 30, 1 times 5 is 5, plus the 3 gives us 80. So that is correct, it is 5. So we write the 5 at the top, we do 16 times 5, which we've just done, and we write that underneath, and then we subtract. Okay, so we've done into, multiply, subtract, we've got 3 left over. Last step is to bring down the next number, which is a 2. And now we do 16 into 32, and actually that goes exactly twice. And we do the multiply again. 16 times 2 is 32. We write that down underneath, we subtract, and we get 0. And once we get to that point, we've run out of numbers and we've got 0 remainder. So our answer is just quite simply 452. Okay.